so happy, and it's my pleasure that I'm here. I'm very excited for the Shirui Lily Festival, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds. And I'm thanking Kumarjeet for bringing me here and making me experience this. This has been a dream. I always wanted to come here, and I already got my goosebumps. When welcomed me. That was really sweet, and I feel like I'm at home. Thank you. I expect the love and warmth of the people, and that's what I've wanted to do since I've won in 2020. It was my plan to come to Manipur, and that did not happen because of the COVID and because of the lockdown and all that. So I'm really happy that this is happening, and I'm really on the 7th heaven right now with everybody around me and the love and the warmth that I'm getting from all of you. Thank you.
Hayengi khoigi Shirui Lily Festival hogadaba se sijigi oina opening gi show je aina pangthokadaba ne bako sijigi showstopper oina aina Adline Castelino se Miss Universe India Miss Universe hat ana sabchuta base aina ma invite tawraga mafam sida khoi Manipur gi phajarba tourism handloom and textile gi production sibu unanaba haina adugi pandamda ai ma invite taw. Thank you. Anoba expect to baya base akoina hana leram potu dagi ahenba haidi hena global world da khangan badune akoina pamise leiri ba poto sikatan mana sosto poina poto posida magi mingsetu da akoina mayam da amuke hena leiri ba khoi pikreba Manipur se sugumba khoigi celebrity masina mayam da sigi phajagaba tourist spots in leiri ade helum gi keno se phajaba sing leiri habot uturiba mai chodai. Thank you.